You little stinker. What up, guys? Back with another video. Man, I'm pretty excited about this. Finally investing a little bit into the garage. I think it would up the value to the house a little bit if we do plan on selling. But I got some storage cabinets. So 2 cabinets for the sides, some hanging cabinets for the top. And all that stuff's gonna live here, and then 2 smaller cabinets for the bottom. So a big one here, or I'm sorry, a big one all the way in the corner, another big one here, and then the 2 small ones on the bottom, and then the 3 cabinets on the top. And then there's that work table right there that goes on these brackets and sits right above that. So that'll be nice right there. And it's the same brand and same style as my toolbox, which is nice. So it'll match perfectly. It has the same style, handles, same color and everything. As you can see, same color. And the handle style is the same as well. Just some more storage just to clean up a little bit in here. So basically all of this, pretty much everything on the floor will be off of the floor and cleaned up. A lot of the stuff will be stored in here. Some of the stuff I can just get rid of it. So let's get to it. All right, guys, well, making good progress. I was only gonna put those up and call it, but I'm just getting a little anxious. So I'm just gonna end up bolting these up tonight and hanging those 3, which go here. So it's pretty nice. It doesn't click in, but it definitely lines up, and there's a built-in level on there, so it can go all the way across and match the length perfectly. So I got that one on. I'm gonna go ahead and level this one up, get the holes drilled, and I'm not gonna leave that wire underneath there. I'm gonna figure out where that wire is gonna run or how I'm gonna do that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these brackets up on the wall so we can get those hung up. Well, we're gonna start off with a mess. Oh, whatever. This will get to another day. But move the fridge, move my toolbox. But I think it looks great. I'm super happy with it. So I got this little setup going on. I hung all my stuff up here. It's all my impact tools or battery tools. I got my charger here, and I put this little shelf for the batteries, to put the batteries on. Coming out real good. Cleaned up this side a little bit. This ladder hangs on that hook right there. And put all my washing stuff, power washer and stuff. Drilled some holes in it, so that'll be a permanent spot. I can roll that around to the backyard or wherever I need it. Yeah, broom and the floor, a squeegee up there. I moved all the signs. All those signs used to be on this wall here, but I'm just gonna put them all the way across there. Well, I mean, I pretty much just have this one. I'm gonna raise that up a little bit, put this probably over here, and maybe lift that Modelo sign up a little bit or move that somewhere else. Put those stuff up there. And I got this section kind of organized. I don't know. Couldn't really find a spot for my jack stands to hang them up. Think that's gonna be my best bet right now. I like it, but I kind of don't like that it's right by the door. It doesn't stick out too much, but it's still kind of, I don't know how I feel about it. That's kind of the spot where it'd be best, next to the toolbox and stuff. Put that little shelf there for the batteries, charging bay, tool hanger, power tool hanger. So I'm liking this area a lot. Just want all my tools and everything kind of in one section, so I know everything's gonna be right there. And for the wires and the terminal, freaking, I forget what they're called. I'm gonna move that stuff probably over here. Probably put it on this wall. And this is just junk that I have. Well, not junk, well, I mean some of it, but anyways, yeah, I gotta clear that off. But making good progress. And the golf cart's leaking, so I'm gonna have to keep that there because the battery acid is ruining my floors. It's eating through the epoxy, so the batteries are going out, and I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. But for now, I'll just have it sit on that mat. But yeah, it's looking good, looking better at least. It's not fully done, but we're getting there, making some progress. Computer, desk, and everything, decided to keep it right there next to the fridge. I think it goes good there. It's nice to have a little workspace too, so I decided to keep the computer in here. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. A few little things I still gotta do, but it's pretty much what we got going on. What do y'all think? I'm happy with it. Feels good. I'm excited. Just really can't wait to get that stuff out of here so it can finally feel complete. But anyways, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know the process of all this. It was a lot of work, but finally coming to an end here. Anyways, peace out.